Kionee, and if you're new, well, subscribe to my channel and like this video. Today, I feel like I just wanted to show y'all how to do makeup. I don't do makeup every day, but I do something slight, you feel me? So I'm just gonna show y'all how I do it, and it's beginner friendly because I don't use a lot of product. I don't know how to do it. I'm gonna be up here looking like a fool. So we just gonna do what we gotta do and keep it pushing, okay? This, and I might be looking off to the side because I'm gonna be looking into this mirror. Just got it from Walmart. Something cheap, something slight, you feel me? So I am gonna be looking down, so don't be thinking I'm retarded. Now I'm just gonna be looking down in the mirror because I gotta see what I'm doing. And let's get to the video, okay? Okay, first things first, you need to wash and clear your face. That is the number one step into doing makeup. So people always ask me what I use my face, and I use this in the morning time, but at night I use Noxzema. So use this in the morning, clean your face, you know, scrub it, you feel me, get all the dirt off. Then you come back with the moisturizer. You gotta hit it real quick with the moisturizer, okay? Make your skin moisturize, glisten. You see me, my skin looking real good right now. But yeah, the first thing I'm gonna do, I think I'm gonna do my eyebrows because they look a mess. All right, so let me put this back like this because I gotta see. So I got my little toolie.
Bitch, are you dumb?
Pardon me?
Are you dumb?
I think she's dumb.
I think she's dumb.
I think she's dumb.
I think
Are
you're
you?
dumb.
Just brush them eyebrows in place. See, when I do my eyebrows, I just add stuff to the end and then, like, you know, underline the top. That's it. Because I don't really have to do too much to my eyebrows. And I'm going to be using this dip brow I got from Walmart. And I'm using a pencil that's, you know, broken, and it just gives you a natural look. So let's go ahead and get started with that. Make sure these eyebrows tame. You don't want to be doing no messy eyebrows. It ain't going to come out right. This forehead doing numbers. I can't.
So beautiful. Damn, look at my fucking forehead. Fuck.
Yep. 1, 2, way back. That big gym class. All right, so all I do is dab just a little bit. This much. A little flat. Then I just add it to the end. Let me show you how I outline my eyebrow, okay? So I squeeze a little bit on here. And then I get my little paintbrush. Bougie, baby. I'm not bougie. Cheap, baby. Gotta be cheap. So I've been having this brush since I was like in high school. I've been using it ever since. So I just dab a little bit on here. Just like that. All right, so I got some on here. Put a little bit more though. Get my little mirror so y'all can see. Well, let me just, yeah, I'm gonna just show y'all. Y'all can see right here. So I just get it and underline it. However you want your shape. Just drag it straight across. And then try to give like a little arch. I don't try to put too much because then it just looks weird. Just too much. All right, just like that. Then I go to the top and just outline my eyebrow. It takes time to learn your own eyebrows because not everybody. You just have to have a little tiny steady hand. You don't have to be steady for real, but you know, just to make it look neat. That look good right there. So after I do that, I just get my, a little fluffy brush. Fluff it out. Make it blend in. Yeah, I've been using this foundation for so long. I stuck with one foundation and just kept it pushing. I don't know why, but I'm just used to it. Would that eyebrow look too good, baby? All right, I'm gonna go draw the other one on and then come right back. All right, now that I'm done with both the eyebrows, next I'm gonna do the little under eye thing. I just really started doing it probably like 3 months ago. I used to always just do my eyebrows and put lashes on. Never did makeup for real. Besides when I danced in high school. That's when I really learned how to do makeup. Okay, so just put it under your eye. Don't put too much though. Cause I know I used to drag it out so much. I used to have it all the way up here. That's too much. You just need it right here. That's all you need. All right, that's good right there. And do the same to the other eye. I need some more though. And I'm using the MAC. Alright, that's good enough. So then I get my sponge. This thing is so old, but I still use it. It get the job done. So we just dab it in. Try not to have no creases. And make sure you get all the way under your eye. I might be looking a little stupid, but you know, you gotta make sure you get it. So I'm trying to do this part too, just add a little bit. Oh, and another place I put concealer too, I'll put it right here. Big Kionee. And put some right here, just a little bit. All right, after that's done, this is my third time using it. I really didn't start using the powder stuff until I seen a lot of people pictures, and it just makes the skin just look flawless. Well, actually, first I'm not gonna put this on yet. I'm gonna put on, so y'all, it's like this powder foundation. I wear it sometimes, but not for real. And it's MAC, and the color, I don't know, I'll link it down in the description. Just put a little bit up in there, and then just cover your whole face. Just put, you know, dab it, you know, yeah. We a makeup artist right now, okay? Put it your way. Just to blend everything out. A little bit more, dab. Same steps, baby. I mean, it really didn't do too much, but you know, that's why I don't use it, because I mean, it's pointless. Ooh. Yeah, so the next thing we're gonna do is use this powder. It is Laura Mercer, I think I'm saying that right, in the translucent honey. You can wear either one, but they just said this is the best one, and they said this brand is the best one out of all of them. So I mean, I see a little difference, but I mean, damn, I see a little difference, but you know, do the same thing. So we finna start baking. I ain't listening, but you know, you gotta vibe with yourself, because if you don't, then baby, who is you? And while we're baking, we're going to line our lips and put some lip gloss on.
Wait a damn minute. Wait a damn.
You feel me? Put a little butter gloss on. So I'm gonna use this liner I got from Walmart. It's NYX. And they had the color that I love, the butter gloss in the color Madeline. And this is a brown color. So, well, I never used this type, but you know, this color, we're gonna see how it is, okay? So y'all, we just got a little up close and personal, because a lot of people ask me, how do I draw my lips on? I don't know if I'm gonna use the black or the brown. So I'm gonna show y'all, but I don't know if, I don't know. Wipe this off a little bit. So you have to, I just realized my necklace is upside down. Okay, so just get your liner. I think I'm gonna use this. So this is how you line your lips. It's on my screen. Okay. Now that we're done with our full face, we're going to get our fluffy brush and then dust off the excess powder. So I did find some eyelashes in the bottom thing. They look a little raggedy, but you know, I'm still gonna put them on just for the sake of the video. So I'm gonna show you how I put my lashes on. I'm gonna zoom up real quick. Up close personal. I use hair glue. Don't come for me in the comments though. I'm gonna use a bobby pin off my head because I really don't need that one. And flip it out like this. And then dip it in here and then drag it across the line. So y'all, put my lashes on, but they are not the same ones. This is the ghetto. This is the ghetto.
Oh, ah, the ghetto. The ghetto. The ghetto.
But we gonna keep it pushing, okay? Okay, we finna put some highlight on. Not a lot, just a little bit. Ooh, y'all see that? Y'all see that? Put a little bit on your nose too. Yeah, that's it right there. We done, period. Oh, this is the finished look. A little soft, natural beat. And if y'all want to see more videos like this, y'all just, you know, comment down below. Make sure y'all subscribe and press that notification bell. Make sure y'all do that, okay? So y'all know when I post. And I'm sorry I've been gone for a long time, but I'm back and I'm better than ever, okay? Vote with me the hard way, you feel me? Just come back to the channel, you feel me? Just come back to the channel, all right? Number love over here. Peace.